Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into RITES India Limited, a major player in the transportation and infrastructure consulting sector. We'll explore their services, financial performance, market position, order book, key strengths and risks. If you're interested in the inner workings of India's infrastructure sector, stick around. Let's start with a brief overview. RITES, which stands for Rail India Technical and Economic Service, was established in 1974. It's a Government of India enterprise under the aegis of Indian Railways, specializing in transport infrastructure. Over the years, RITES has built a reputation for excellence, contributing significantly to India's infrastructure growth. So, what exactly does RITES do? Their services span across a wide range of activities, including engineering consultancy, project management, and quality assurance for railways, highways, airports, ports, and urban transport systems. They also provide leasing of locomotives and rolling stock for the Indian Railways. RITES has executed projects in over 55 countries across Asia, Africa, Latin America, South America, and the Middle East. This global presence underscores their expertise and reliability in the field. Let's break down the core services with some real numbers and examples. They are present in the railway sector. Within the railway sector, they're involved in engineering consultancy for railway systems, project management and construction supervision, railway electrification and signaling. For example, they recently completed a $100 million project in Sri Lanka for railway modernization. They're also present in the highway sector. They do planning and design of road networks, traffic engineering and safety. They successfully recently designed and supervised the construction of a 300-kilometer highway in Ethiopia. Within the airport space, they're involved in master planning and feasibility studies, design and project management of airport infrastructure. They recently were the consultants for the expansion of the Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore. Within the urban transport space, they are present in planning and implementation of metro and light rail systems, traffic management, and road safety. Recently, they were part of the team for the development of the Delhi Metro's new phases, and they are also currently working with the Qatar government for the Doha Metro project. The RITES service portfolio is vast, allowing them to offer comprehensive solutions from planning to execution and operation. Their involvement in major projects showcases the capability and industry leadership. Now let's dive into the financial performance of RITES. For investors and stakeholders, understanding the financial health of the company is crucial. In the last fiscal year, RITES reported revenues of 2,500 crore, a significant increase from the previous year's 2,300 crore, demonstrating steady growth. The net profit stood at approximately 450 crore, up from 400 crore, reflecting a strong bottom line. Key financial ratios such as return on equity and return on capital employed were 18 and 22% respectively. These figures indicate efficient use of shareholders' equity and overall capital, positioning RITES as a financially sound company. RITES also maintains a healthy dividend payout ratio of around 91%, making it an attractive choice for income-focused investors. Now let's take a look at the order book. The order book is a crucial indicator of future revenue and business availability and visibility, providing confidence to the stakeholders. As of the last financial report, RITES order book stood at approximately 5,500 crore. This includes diverse projects across sectors like railways, highways, and urban transport. Significant orders include the construction of new railway lines, modernization of existing infrastructure, and consultancy projects for metro systems in various cities. A strong order book not only reflects the company's robust market position but also provides visibility into future revenue streams. RITES operates in a competitive market with players like Engineers India Limited, Ircon International, and private firms such as L&T and Tata projects. Let's see how RITES stands out. RITES' competitive edge lies in its government backing, extensive experience, and diversified service portfolio. While competitors like Ircon focus heavily on railways, RITES has a more diverse portfolio, covering highways, airports, and urban transport. This diversification helps mitigate sector-specific risks. The idea always is to minimize risk while increasing returns. So I would always try and look out for stocks which, in a way, are reducing risks but maximizing returns. We do not want to be, in the common financial terms, high risk, high reward stocks. We want to be in stocks which are low risk, still has a huge probability and a percentage of high returns. RITES' strategic collaboration with international firms enhance their technological capabilities and service offerings, setting them apart from the competitor. Let's discuss the key strengths and risks associated with RITES India Limited. RITES has several key strengths, and the major one of them is government infrastructure push. RITES India Limited stands to benefit significantly from Government of India's substantial allocation towards infrastructure development. The Union Budget 2024-25 has earmarked over INR 10 lakh crore, approximately USD 125 million, for infrastructure projects, including railways, highways, urban transport, and renewable energy. Specifically, the railway sector alone has received a record allocation of 2.4 lakh crore, a 50% increase from the previous year. As a leading player in transport infrastructure consultancy, RITES is poised to secure numerous high-value contracts. The current order book, valued at 5,500 crore, is expected to expand considerably as they take on more projects such as railway electrification, new line constructions, metro rail systems, and smart city initiatives. The influx of projects will not only enhance the revenue stream, but also reinforce the market leadership, driving long-term growth and profitability. Government has also earmarked 1.25 lakh crore to build 200 ropeway projects within the next 5 years. RITES is the oldest and most accomplished consultants in the ropeway area in India. Any major iconic ropeway in the country, RITES has been a consultant for it. Whether it is the Vaishno Devi ropeway, and across the country there are a large number of ropeway which RITES has been a part of. Even now, RITES are working on about 9 to 10 different ropeways projects. RITES is also working on the Katra and the Shillong ropeway, which got announced recently. The announcement of the India-Middle East corridor could further strengthen the order book of RITES for years to come. RITES is the only company in India, both in the PSU or the private space, which does consultancy across all areas of infrastructure except oil and natural gas. RITES does 13 different verticals, so across all areas of infrastructure, RITES have been getting orders. In fact, as at Q3 of FY24, RITES has received one order a day. They got 100 plus orders in 92 days on both nomination and competitive basis, both domestically and internationally. With projects in over 55 countries, RITES has established a significant international footprint, diversifying geographical risks. Consistent revenue growth, healthy profit margins, and strong financial ratios underline their financial robustness. Some of the key risks include there had been a significant shift from nomination-based bidding to competitive-based bidding. As at FY 2023, the bidding for projects for RITES India Limited stood at 50% on a nomination basis and 50% on a competitive basis. However, the consulting projects are now all opening up to competition-based bidding, putting pressures on margins. To balance this, management has guided on doing more of consulting projects compared to turnkey projects to offset the margin erosion impact. Large infrastructure projects are often complex and face execution risks such as delays, cost overruns, and regulatory hurdles. And this could be one of the key risks for RITES India Limited. There's intense competition from both public and private sector firms, which could impact market share and profitability. Given that RITES is present in over 5,500 countries, its billing is often in USD. Currency fluctuations can affect the financial performance due to the geographical expansion across 55 countries. Let's look at some recent development. RITES has been actively expanding its service in the renewable energy sector, particularly in solar energy projects. This aligns with the global push towards sustainable infrastructure. For example, RITES has undertaken a solar power project to install solar panels at various railway stations across India, aiming to reduce carbon footprint and operational costs. Additionally, their focus on digital transformation is noteworthy. RITES is implementing advanced technologies in project management and operations such as Building Information Modeling (BIM) and Geographic Information System (GIS). These technologies improve project efficiency and ensure timely delivery. To sum it up, RITES India Limited is a powerhouse in the transport infrastructure consulting sector with a strong legacy, diverse service portfolio, and forward-looking strategies. They're well positioned to capitalize on the growing infrastructure needs, both domestically and internationally. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more insights on top companies listed in the Indian Stock Exchange. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.